Got a real special truck for you guys this morning. This one here is a 1955 Chevrolet half-ton pickup, short bed step side, fresh off the farm here in Colorado. That's original patina you're looking at right there. And for the most part, this is very nicely intact. You'll see your normal rust areas in the cab corners, but for the most part, everything else is really solid. Let me just show you a little bit more about this truck. Obviously the wheels and tires are updated, but the originals are available. This original patina. The bed was removed and refinished with new metal in there, but everything else is just like it came off the farm. Got a couple of bumps and bruises, but nothing too major. Adds to the character of the truck. Again, you got a cab corner that's going out. A little bit of rust in the lower fender there, but not unusual for these mid to late 50s trucks. This one still needs a windshield, but that's pretty typical too. Again, there's that single headlight 55 through 57 style. It's just a beautiful original green truck. Now what you ought to know about this is that the brakes have been completely redone from the master cylinder all the way down to the drum. So those are brand new. The wiring has been redone, the distributor's new, plugs and wires, that kind of thing. I'm going to show you how well it runs in just a minute here. But look at that floor. Look how solid that is. Got a little bit of rust in the running boards. The hinges are in perfect condition. That you really don't see that very often. Brand new gas tank and sending unit. The old one was just too crusty. Original seat was not recovered. I mean, that's in great condition. Original headliner. The dash hasn't been cut up or anything. It even has the original key, which we're going to start her up right now. You can see the electrical and the oil, the temperature gauges work. Not so sure about the gas gauge, but the door does shut nice, but it doesn't hold, so that's a nice running 235 inline 6-cylinder motor. Not smoking, nice and smooth, nice idle. Again, you're looking at a 1955 Chevrolet half-ton short bed step side, original, very original farm truck for sale now. Don't miss out on this one.